Hello everyone, my name is Anders and I'm responsible for marketing here at Schmiedmann Denmark. Today I'm going to show you a bit of special treat, a sneak peek on one of our currently ongoing tuning and styling projects. First I'll be taking you through our showroom where you can see some of unique cars that are selling a lot of very nice BMWs, premium beautiful models, and there's an X5 and E30 M3 for sale if you're looking for something very special to drive in. And now we are almost through to the workshop. And welcome to our workshop, and right here we have Simon working on the M3 Evo 2 project. But that's not it, what we are going to show you today. Today we are going to take a look at this one, our styling tuning project, BMW F30 335i, where we've already been working a lot on it. You've seen some of the pictures on the internet, and just let me show you. First of all, we have down here the set performance 20 inches rims, very nice, good looking, and in behind we have a original BMW M Performance big brake kit. Let me just take you over here where you can see it more clearly. Beautiful, very nice. And we also have BILSTEIN coilover kit in behind us for the suspension. And right here we have our technician Jonas. Hello. Who is just took off the door sills, which is going to be high gloss painted, as I understood it. Then we also mounted a trunk lid, airflow, carbon spoiler, and we have the M Performance LCI LED lights, black line LCD lights, which really looks perfect and great. And also previously we also mounted the side mirror covers in genuine carbon as well, so it just looks so nice. And right now we are working on the body kit as well, which is just pre-mounted to make sure everything fits, and then it will be painted to fit the rest of the car, and it's going to look so crazy, so good. And we are really looking forward to see everything, to see the final result. And as a special treat here down as well, we have a custom made sport exhaust system made by Supersprint with Schmiedmann carbon tailpipes and all that, and it looks so good, and we just can't wait to hear it roll, and definitely will be making a video so you can hear it too. So that's all for now. Take care, and we'll be uploading a lot of BMW and Mini stuff soon. So bye bye.